Hi, I'm Natoya from Singer Portmore Pines, and today I'll be telling you about the LG InstaView door-in-door. Simply knock knock and see inside the refrigerator. And if you have kids like I do, then you'd enjoy this amazing energy saving feature. You know how they like to just come and open the door and stare? Now they can. Less cold air loss means more energy saving and freshness for the food inside. Another great feature is the Hygiene Fresh. This function eliminates odor from your refrigerator to maintain airflow and keeps food fresher for longer. Are you worried that you will use energy while on a family vacation? LG ThinQ controls and diagnoses your refrigerator with the touch of a button from anywhere in the world. The most innovative feature of all is the inverter compressor. Save more money with controlled cooling power. Enjoy a smart good life with LG. Shop at any of our 20 stores island-wide or online at singer.com.jn. See you soon!